Bullish Oasis Network cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 21 cents and 39 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Rose could reach 16 cents by 2025. Bearish Oasis Network market cost expectation for 2023 is 3 cents. Oasis Network presentation. Oasis Network has proactively drawn in a ton of interest from the local area with its main goal to offer DApps and the information economy a fast and safe climate. An expansion in normal exchanging cost was welcomed on the new news. For data on the fate of the resource, see our Oasis Network value expectation. Yet, how does various elements influence the Oasis Network cost forecast? Here is a synopsis of the undertaking all in all before we investigate the Rose cost forecast. What is the Oasis Network? Oasis Labs, laid out in 2018 by teacher First Light Melody of the College of California, Berkeley, is the essential maker of the Oasis Network. Oasis Network creates DeFi applications and cross-chain interoperability. It portrays itself as the primary security-empowered, versatile blockchain network for open money and a dependable information economy. The network's in reverse similarity with the Ethereum blockchain, which was delivered in October 2020, empowers the development of decentralized applications like the decentralized trade Uniswap from Ethereum to the Oasis blockchain. The network's local utility money, called Rose, is utilized for marking and designation at the agreement layer, as well with respect to paying exchange charges. Out of a complete fixed cap of 10 billion, the token had a send-off flow supply of 1.5 billion. Over the long haul, delegators and stakers will get motivations for shielding the network and how much around 2.3 billion tokens. Oasis Network Major Examination. Oasis Network is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes verification of stake, as was at that point portrayed. It is additionally the business most memorable protection-centered exertion for open money. The objective of digital forms of money is to rush the reception of decentralized finance by the overall population. It does this by fostering a stage that is more open, versatile, and reasonable than elective conventions at present available. The organization guarantees that the Oasis blockchain is incredibly adaptable on account of two parts. These are alluded to by the Oasis network as the agreement layer and the paratime layer. The paratime layer makes it workable for various exchanges to be completed simultaneously, speeding up, generally speaking, handling execution. The site guarantees that, contrasted with sharding and parachain procedure on other blockchains, paratime handling is more protected. A critical part of the drive, as per the Oasis network, is security. The drive utilizes a protected processing stage called confided in execution climate, which, as per Oasis network, shields brilliant agreement execution and ensures that information is never presented to engineers or validators. Clients can feel more quiet, realizing that those connected with will approach their delicate information because of this. Oasis network current cost. Oasis network is right now worth 4 cents USD. Rose has moved 2.73% as of now with an exchanging volume of $19,212,725. Oasis Network is right now positioned 112 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $236,161,113 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Oasis Network to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Oasis Network value expectation 2023. Oasis Network, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Rose cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 7 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 6 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Rose is supposed to have a base worth of 5 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Oasis Network Rose cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rose will before long outperform 11 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Rose's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rose will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 9 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 10 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 16 cents and Rose might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Rose is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 14 cents and a low of 14 cents in 2025. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Oasis Network effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Rose coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rose will be green in 2026. The Rose is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 21 cents, with a base cost of 18 cents and a typical cost of 19 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Rose cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 24 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 23 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Rose has a greatest value worth of 25 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 29 cents. In the event that Rose figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 30 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Rose needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 28 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2029. While Rose is endeavoring towards interoperability between networks to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 32 cents and a yearly cost close above 35 cents in 2029. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Oasis Network will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 37 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 39 cents, averaging out at 38 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Rose cost in 2031 is projected to be 45 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 44 cents. And the drive seems to have guarantee. Yet it is yet muddled the way that it will create and whether the network's drawn-out objectives will be understood. Huge Tech is going under more prominent investigation for its information mining practices, and discussion over how individuals ought to ultimately possess and benefit from their own data is heightening. The thought set up by the Oasis Network appears, in some measure on a fundamental level, to resolve a main problem with protection and a decrease in trust in both privately owned businesses and legislatures, the two of which look unfit or reluctant to establish the vital limitation. What is the Oasis Network cost today? Today, Oasis Network is exchanging at 4 cents with an all-out market capitalization of $236,161,113. Is Oasis Network a wise speculation? Oasis Network ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year.